Hey everybody, I am Mr. B and welcome back to the Loft. Today we've got another retro classic dessert for you. We're going to attempt, keyword attempt, the pineapple upside down cake. I'm going to be using my cast iron skillet. If you don't want to use your cast iron skillet, don't have a cast iron skillet, buy one of them damn little aluminum roasting pans in the store. Hell, I don't care. It doesn't really matter, right? We're going to melt some brown sugar and some butter in the bottom of that thing, put some pineapple around that, dot that with some cherries. I'm going to use pineapple rings and some crushed pineapple today, I think. And then that's going to be kind of your top, if you will, because at the end of the day, you'll invert it. Now, for the cake, I'm using the store-bought Pineapple Supreme cake mix from Duncan Hines. If you want to do it from scratch, by all means, go for it. Use the box mix, follow the box mix instructions. One exception, substitute the water for the pineapple juice that you drain off of your pineapple rings and your crush. Trust me, you'll thank Daddy on this one. So anywho, once it's all said and done, baked at 350 until a toothpick comes out clear. You're gonna take it out, let it cool down for just a minute, and then flip. This is the technical element. Flip and try to flip the cake from the back so the bottom actually becomes the top and all of that caramel deliciousness is there. It's fun, it's easy, it's a pretty cool little presentation if you ask me. So let's get started with pineapple upside down cake. Let's give this a taste, y'all. Don't know why we don't do more of this. Well, I know why. Put on the pounds. Let's taste. It's still warm. Exactly what the doctor ordered here. Moist, pineapple-y. The substitution of the pineapple juice for the water really does make a difference, and it's a must-do. All right. This late at night with a cold glass of milk. Oh my God. All right, kids. There you have it. This is pineapple upside down cake. Please consider subscribing, and remember, it doesn't matter if it's hometown, such as the case of this, or midtown. We're going to cook it from the loft. We'll see you next time.